welcome back to my channel. I am so excited about today's video because we are going to be doing an unboxing and a try on of the Ipsy November Glam Bag as well as the Glam Bag Plus, which is a new bag that Ipsy's doing. I do want to say a big thank you to Ipsy for partnering with me on this video. And you guys, I did a try on unboxing style like this last month. And I feel like you guys really liked it, and honestly, I really liked it because I loved trying on the products, giving you guys like an immediate reaction, and just giving you a review of the products that I got in the bags. And not to ruin the surprise or anything, but I really liked this month's Glam Bag product. So anyways, we're going to be doing a try-on tutorial, unboxing, kind of everything in this video. So really quick before we get started, if you're new, hello, welcome. Make sure before you leave, you do not forget to subscribe right down below so you're notified for future videos from me. I do post 3 times a week, so Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And make sure you click the bell notification so you're notified when another unboxing goes up. So anyways, I'm excited to jump in, so let's get started. Okay, so before we jump into the tutorial, I do want to talk to you guys really quick about Shopper. Shopper is the Ipsy online marketplace, and if you've ever been subscribed to Ipsy, you will know that they always have a really amazing deals on a ton of different brands. And now they've opened it up to everyone in the continental US, which is so exciting because, you know, a lot of times we wait until like the makeup sales come around a couple times a year, but on the Shopper website, they have a bunch of different brands and they're discounted. So for instance, one set on here is the Bare Minerals Nudes Lip Collection. It retails for $29 on the Ipsy Shopper. It is 20% off, and then if you're a member, you get 10% off on top of that, which is so exciting because one, they're opening it up to everyone so you don't have to be an Ipsy member, but if you sign up for Ipsy, you do get an additional 10% off, so it's going to save you a lot of money, just saying. And I know that they're going to be doing a lot of specials. I know they do have some Black Friday specials going on, Cyber Monday, and I actually think they're doing specials all throughout December, so definitely check that out. I'm going to leave a link down below to sign up for Ipsy, and then also for you guys to check out the website, as well as all the products that we unboxed today. And I wanted to mention that because let's be honest, I've been spending a lot of time on that website trying to get deals. So I'll leave a link down below and let's jump into the Glam Bag. All right, so if you guys haven't heard of Ipsy, they are a monthly subscription bag that actually gives you 5 personalized products. They have a survey that you fill out on their website and it talks about all the different types of products that you like. And so every single month they cater those to you and put them in your monthly bag. And you also can review them. That way your bag gets even more customized to what you want. But this is the November Glam Bag. Isn't it cute? It kind of matches me. As you can see, it is a blue bag and it has, well, it's almost kind of purple. More like a purpley blue. But it has black hearts all over it. And then it has the little zipper right here that has Ipsy on it. So let's go through each product and I'm going to talk about my first impressions since I tried them out. So the very first product that I have is the Juice Beauty Illuminating Primer. And I put this all over my skin before I did my foundation today. So the really cool thing about this is it hydrates, but it also controls your oil, which is really good because for me, I'm kind of combination. So I want some places to be hydrated and then some places I don't want to be oily. So it's kind of like the best of both worlds. So it's formulated with serum, which I think is awesome because that is going to illuminate your skin. And it also is supposed to smooth the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and it blurs out your imperfections. So it literally does everything that you could want in a primer. Another really cool thing about it, and I noticed this as soon as I put it on, it almost has these like reflex, almost like of shimmer in it. It's got a golden tint to it, if you guys can see, but it's just so beautiful on the skin and it melts right in. I'm like smoothing it all over my hand so you guys can see, but it's super lightweight and it also has vitamin E and vitamin C in it. So yeah, that is the Juice Beauty Primer. Absolutely gorgeous on the skin. Okay, so the next thing that I had in my Glam Bag is from Helios Beauty. And these are 2 different eyeshadows, so you'll be getting one in your Ipsy bag if you get selected for the eyeshadow. So I had the shade Pinkies Up, and then I also had the shade I Only Fly In First, and I want to swatch them for you guys. These are so beautiful. They are very, very creamy, and there that is. They're so pretty. Okay, so here are what these 2 look like. And here's what they look like swatched. So not only are these shades crease proof, but they're also long wearing as well. So the really great thing about the Pinkies Up shade, which is the one that I use, is that you can use it many different ways. So very first I started and I applied it to my brow bone as a brow bone highlight. You can make this subtle or you can really give it some bling just depending on how you apply it. So I put it on my brow bone first. Then what I did was I went in and applied it to the lid. And I tried it 2 different ways just to see how it performed best. And really, I think both ways worked really good. So first I started by applying it with my finger because it is a very creamy shade, and that of course went on really well. And I also applied it with a brush, and sometimes I feel like some eyeshadows don't apply as good with a brush, but I felt like this one, the color payoff was really there and I really liked it. And then I also brought it down into my inner corner kind of to give the look more of a pop. So I used it 3 different ways, even though it's only one eyeshadow. But all in all, I really like the way the look turned out, and I really enjoyed the formula of these shadows. Okay, so the next thing I got in the Glam bag is from Lottie London, and this is their Blush Crush. And they actually sent over 2 different shades for me to try out. These things are pigmented. They're so pretty, and I honestly was very impressed. First, I started with the shade Zac, and this shade is absolutely gorgeous. It's like an everyday kind of pinky shade that honestly blended into the skin really well. Even though it's super pigmented, you can definitely blend it out if you don't want too much color payoff. But a lot of times I have problems with blushes. I feel like they don't show up as much, but this one I really liked how it applied. And honestly, I'm putting it in my everyday drawer because I want it to look like that again tomorrow when I do my blush. The next one that I tried out is Zane. And this one has a little bit more of like a peachy nude tint to it. And I loved both shades. I'm very excited about these. And again, they're going in my everyday drawer because I really, really like them. So the next thing we have is from Nomad Cosmetics. And this is their Illuminated Highlighting Powder. So when you very first look at it, you cannot tell how blinding it truly is. So when I very first put it on, I put on just a little bit. I was already wowed by how pigmented it was. It's like a golden champagne color, but it's very reflective, and it also has like a natural glow just depending on how much you want to put on. You can put on a little bit or you can really build it up if you want it to be blinding. It's a very blendable and very creamy. Another thing about the brand is they are vegan and cruelty free, which is awesome as well. And again, that is the Nomad Cosmetic Midnight Sun Illuminated Highlighting Powder. Okay, so the very last product is the Incredible Glazing Over Long Lasting Intense Color Gloss. And intense it is. So I very first put it on, and as soon as I swiped it, I knew that this is going to be a color that I would love. It has ultra hydrating properties that makes your lips look wet. It went on super smooth onto the lips, and another thing is it went on streak free and full coverage. So I did build it up just a little bit because I wanted that super, super glossy look, and I definitely achieved it. I love this color for the winter time because it's like a vampy type look, and it's in the shade Find Your Light, Not Mr. Right, which I think is such a cute name. So that is all the products for the November Glam bag. But like I said, I really loved everything, and I love the way the look turned out. I'm also going to be showing you guys the Glam Bag Plus. This is what the Glam bag looks like when you get the Glam Bag Plus. I think that this bag comes with it every 3 months, I believe. So it didn't come with my bag this month, but I did just want to show it in case you guys are new. So here's what it looks like when it comes in. It came in a box like this. And when you open it up, it says, don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you, which I think is so cute. And then here are all of the contents of the box. So before I even started my makeup today, I used this product. This is the First Aid Beauty Pure Skin Face Cleanser with antioxidant booster, and it's supposed to remove surface oils, make up dirt and grime, and it's safe for sensitive skin. Now that is one thing I really love about First Aid Beauty because their products are really great for sensitive skin. I've talked about this many times, but my mom's skin is like ultra sensitive and she loves the First Aid brand. So one thing I thought was really cool is that this cleanser almost feels like a moisturizer when you put it on. It has a very different texture than what I'm used to in a cleanser. So I put it all over my face and then rinsed it off, and it did make my face feel super clean. Obviously, I didn't put the part of me rinsing my face off in the video, but like I said, I did use it today and really liked it. Next product in the Glam bag is the Dr. Brandt Needles No More Baggage. So this is a eye depuffing gel, and one thing that I thought was really crazy about this is it actually has a tint to it, and it's almost like an orangey tint, which really can almost color correct underneath your eyes. One thing that I noticed is it is super tacky, which I think would be good also when you're putting concealer over top of it to kind of help it stay. I can't really speak for this product like on the first try, but what I will say is I like the way that applied, and I'll have to keep you guys updated as far as like if it covers up bags. I don't have super heavy bags under my eyes, but I know that I have a lot going on in the next couple weeks, so we'll see. I'm definitely going to keep this by my side to try it out. Okay, next thing we have are 3 brushes from Miss Glam, and her brushes are so cute because they're super fun and colorful, and there's 3 different brushes in the Glam Bag Plus. So the first brush that you have is the eyeshadow P15 brush. And here's what that looks like. So whenever I very first started my eyeshadow, I did actually go in with this brush to go over my brow bone highlight. I like a brush that's kind of dense, that way it can really pack on the highlight if needed. Next, I went in with the eye blending P24 brush, and I actually use this to put the transition color all over my eye. The really good thing about it is even though it is a blending brush, you can actually get precision with this brush and really put it down where you want it to be. And again, that is the blending brush. Very last, we have the eye angled shading P17. And this brush really can get up in the corners of your eye if you want like a smoked out look or a little bit more dramatic. It, again, is very dense, so it's going to pack color where you need it, and it's angled so you can really get into the crease of your eye. So those are 3 brushes, and again, super cute, and I'm really excited to see that they included brushes in the bag. Next, we have the Makeup Geek Fold Lip Gloss, and this is in the shade Acoustic. This really blew me away. I haven't actually tried this type of lip gloss from Makeup Geek, but it does have a metallic look to it. It has like sparkles in it, but it went on super duper pigmented. One stroke of the brush, and I mean, the color payoff was there. Very bold, but I really did like it. And again, that is the Fold Lip Gloss from Makeup Geek in the shade Acoustic. Very last product is not something I showed on camera because I used 2 different blushes and I only have 2 cheeks. But this is the Tarte Double Duty Beauty Make Every Moment Count, and it is their cheek palette. So the packaging's obviously super cute. Per usual, Tarte always has cute packaging. And it looks like a little book when you open it up. And you get 3 different shades as well as a really nice mirror. So you have Love, Live, and Learn. So here are those 3 shades on my fingers. Hopefully you can see them up close. And they have a really pretty sheen to them too. Okay, so here are those 3 swatches. So you have basically like a pinky tone, a coral with a sheen, and more of a nude shade. So there are those 3 swatches right there. And I hope that you guys like this video. Definitely let me know your thoughts down below on the try-on style of this video. I like it a lot better than when I was doing just straight up unboxings, because this is actually getting me to use the products. And then honestly, I'm grabbing them more and more. Like some of the products I used in last month's video, I do have in my everyday drawers. And I do want to say, again, a big thank you to Ipsy for partnering with me on this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to give me a thumbs up if you did. Leave a comment down below what your favorite product was, and I can't wait to see what you guys get in your Ipsy bag. Like I said at the beginning of this video, I'll have everything linked down below, especially the Shopper website, because you guys don't want to miss out on those deals, especially with the holidays coming up and everything like that. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.